Hey there, welcome. Now in this lecture I will show you how to use a git revert command. So I'm using the same repository as earlier and will be using the same file as well. So let's check out the file vi checkout file.txt. Press I key to insert, scroll down, and I'll introduce a particular line here. Say it's line 5. Since earlier we used the line 3 and 4, so let's have it line 5. Press escape key :WQ, and let's use a git status command to check the state of the repository, and it clearly says that the file has been modified. Now let's imagine a situation that this particular modification we made is undesirable and should be reverted. So here is where the git revert command comes in handy. So before I show you the effectiveness of this git revert command, we need to add our changes to the staging area and then commit the same. So we add the changes and then we commit with a simple commit message, commit prior to revert, and let's press enter and the commit is done. Let's clear the screen and execute the git log command once again. Press enter. Let's check the status of our file. So we'll use the cat command, press enter, and we have the line 5 here. Now let's assume that this line 5 change we made is undesirable and can introduce potentially some bug in the code, and hence we want to revert this particular commit we just now made. So for this purpose we need to issue the git revert command, and we need to revert back to the head which was just pointing to this commit earlier. Let's press enter. Now automatically the editor opens. Now the default editor for git for now is the vi editor, and remember, any revert will automatically introduce a commit phase. So it has typed out a revert message for us. So you can use this if you wish, or you can change it. So press I key to insert. Now I see that I have made a typo here, so I'll introduce a E here, and rest of the message is perfectly fine. So press escape key :WQ to quit and save, and the commit is done. So let's clear the screen and let's issue the git log command once again. Git log --one line, press enter, and here you see the git revert command has initiated this commit and reverted back our file to its state where you wanted to return, which is this commit. So let's check the contents of the file using the cat command, cat checkout file.txt, press enter, and here you go. Our file has been restored to its desired content, and the particular line that was introduced in this commit is no more there. So let's summarize whatever we did till now. So the git revert command actually undoes a committed snapshot. Now instead of removing the commit from the project history, it actually tries to undo the changes that was introduced by the commit and appends a new commit with the resulting content. So this is the commit which it appended. Now this prevents Git from losing history, and now this is very important for maintaining the integrity of the revision history. Now let's try to imagine where this can be useful. Now this can be particularly useful. For example, you are tracking down a bug and found that this was introduced by a single commit, and you try to pretend that this was a commit which was actually introduced some kind of bug in our code. Now instead of manually going in and fixing it and committing a new snapshot, you can use git revert to automatically do this all for you. And this is what we exactly did with this command. Now git revert is a safe way to undo changes in a Git repository.